Tani. It's a jump ball against Liga Arlaburet. Ball goes through. Out of bounds. First ball goes through Labati. Here comes number 30. Uyaw, 55. 18 in the center. Here comes Uyaw. Slicing down the middle. Using the last. Uyaw breaking the eye for the ball. Here comes Malinaw. Take Guerpo at the left wing. Guerpo against Uyaw. Yes! 2 points by number 20. It's Tidla. 3. Uyaw, attack the basket. Inside pass. Intercepted by the forward pass to Malinaw. Here comes Malinaw for the pass. Huwag yung bate mga gagalan. Trace goes, Labaw Gusa. Here comes number 45, Uyaw. Looking for his inside pass to Laburira. To number 10, Pastor foul by number 17. It's Iramil. Iramil, first personal foul, Tipal 1, chance to Kakati. With 9 minutes and 17 seconds time left. First throw by number 38 to miss. Second throw, ready for rebound. Yes, sir! It's Tidla, 3-0. Here comes Maria. 18 for Guerpo. Guerpo on the thing at the line. Guerpo for 3. Jimenez. Number 28. Here comes 3. Number 28. The basket. Lose the line.
Natog na sa amin.
Nine minutes and 10. Malina number 25. To Guerpo. Inside pass to Uyaw. The ball goes to Uyaw. Three against one. Uyaw. Inside pass to number 30. Yes, sir. Tied by 3. Labangan is on top by 2 with 50. Here comes Malina number 25. Loose pull up by number 30. The bell remains for Harkan. With 15 in the shot clock. Abulas na ba?
Ari kasi ro. Ayaw rin dito.
Here comes Uyaw. At the top of the field. Looking for his baby. Uyaw. To number 28. Inside pass to Laburira. Laburira number 4. Look out! The ball goes to Kakara with 8 minutes and 15. Runs for 5 and 3. Here comes number 25, Randy. To Guerpo. Guerpo attacking the basket. Using the last minute. The ball goes to the hands of number 28. Here comes number 28. He's slicing down the middle. Running down to Pakuta. Back to the foul by number 17. No, it's number 55, it's Iramil. Time out, called by Kakara with 7 minutes and 42. Malinaw first personal foul, still foul 2, 6 minutes and 42. A 2-point throw for number 58. A first throw by number 58. Yes, sir. Second throw, ready for rebound.
Sure ball now, Jen.
Yes! The second contested is slipping in the baseline. Running score 6 against 3. 6 against 3. Labangan is in top by 3 with 6 minutes and 38. The ball goes to the hand of Uyaw. Second Uyaw against Malinaw. Uyaw waiting for his teammates. Uyaw attacking the basket to number 58. Number 3 Stulo. He scored 8 against 3. 5.3 by the ball. Rekan Suniga number 19. Suniga inside pass to number 17. Hiramis. But it's a traveling violation. Nice defensive play by the Ballon team with 6 minutes and 2 seconds time left. Running scored 8 against 3. Here comes Uyaw at attack looking for his teammate to number 30 for 3. Rebound to number 22. Here comes number 20 slicing down the middle. But there's a body to the foul by number 28. Number 28. Among first personal foul, equal to chance to Nabangon with 5 minutes and 32. First move by Katas, yes sir! The signature ready for rebound. Yes! A perfect read-through by Kataos, bringing the score to 5 against 8. Here comes Ahmad, number 30. To number 28. 15 in the shot clock. Back to Ahmad, inside pass. Number 51, number 51. First foul. Foul number 20. Kataos, Kataos, I mean. Kataos, first personal foul, single 3. First goal by number 51. Singapore ready for rebound. Women. Rebound goes to Napolina. Big one. There is 5. Malinaw. Inside pass to Kataos, stop it, laser! 7 is 3 minutes and 47. Here comes Laborilla. For 3, Jimenez, rebound goes to Crespo. To Malinaw, number 25. 3 against 3. Malinaw, does not 3, yes sir! 9 against 12, back in the lead to the 3. Here comes Laborilla. Inside pass to number 58, using it. 14 against 9. 3 minutes and 15. Malinaw. To Kataos for 3. Jimenez. To number 30. 3 minutes left. Here comes Ahmad. Ahmad against Kataos. It's a pass to Uyaw. 13 minutes left. Uyaw attacking the kitchen pass. Pull up pass to Malinaw. Malinaw. Goodbye. Dos minutos 44 segundos. Here comes Kataos number 50. Ahmad attacking the basket. 2 minutes 30. 16. Here comes Ahmad at the right wing. Itik the shot. Inside pass to number 58. To Laborilla. Laborilla attacking the basket to number 51. Big and down. 1 minute and 53. 18 against 11. Here comes Malinaw. To Suniga number 18. To number 20. Yeah! 1 minute and 40.
1 minute!
Agi.
Amal.
Uy.
Hector Zuniga. Malinaw. 2-1. Malinaw. Nakot. Rebound to number 20. Laborira. But there's a blocking foul by number 17. It's Hiramil. Hiramil's second personal foul.
Team foul.
Team foul ito. Team foul ito. 1 minute 12. It's a pushing foul by number 19, Zuniga. Zuniga first personal foul. Team foul 3, charge to Edgar. 1 minute time left. Laborira, isang paso ng pagkiti. Foul! Foul number 17, Hiramil. Hiramil, third personal foul. 54 seconds time left. 54. First row. Wala. Instruction. Second row.
Ay, naglayat din niya. Hindi siya kasi. Uy, good!
Uyaw, David Petri. Uyaw. Forman. Back to number 58. Rebound to Zuniga. 58 seconds time left. Hector 12 for the team. Golpe, tackle the pase. Hiramil against the team. But there's a foul by number 21. 20 seconds time left. Oh, big.
Isang oras tayo.
14 against 13.
Sige, lagi mo lang yan.
Second row.
Depende man.
Out by Greco. 20 seconds. Hegas Amal. 16. 11 seconds. 11. Foul number 17. Hiramil. Penalty. Hiramil. Third personal foul. 11 seconds. 11.
Support yun.
Ginawa!
Second row.
Sakit. Brad, sakit saja, Brad. Ayo balik dah, balik bawah lah.
10.
Ayo, ikut.
6 seconds. 6 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds.
Game! Nagkabot! Yay!
14.
Reka! Oh! Sakit, son! Papa P! Oh, Papa P!
Hegas sa bilang. Pinanggal ko ng suro. Aligardes. Marina for yes.
Ayo lagi koto.
16 against 13. Mata. Bola berkutik. Buang kalatak. Jimenez. Rebound masuk. Cabrera. No. Go. Hegan sa bilang betul. Aligardes. Well, Chaka. Alcoriza. Alcoriza running better. Alcoriza. Oh, but there's a blocking foul by blocking foul number 2.
Ako na lang.
Number 2, first personal foul, team forward. 8 minutes and 53.
Makaihita.
57.
Wow.
Nakud. Ruffle out by Kakar. Ball goes to the ball.
Nay, gaya ko na.
Here comes Mata. The important day of the CATBC Labang. Ball number.
Go, Jim!
Here comes Sapilyon. Pumapas Alicarmes. Butler.
Kita mo na
Foul by
magkita.
number 1. It's Mata. Mata first personal foul. First.
Warning na sila dihan sa kay. Warning na biya. Ay, yeah.
Kailangan mo pa na layo mo kailangan. Hindi dili abulang.
Here comes Mata.
Hindi kayo sangin.
18 in the shot.
Go! Go, Arjun!
2-20, number 2. 27-24.
Pare, tanawa, pabor.
A 3-point, here comes
Oy,
Bararan.
kapil.
Bararan against number 26. Bararan. Jimenez. Rebound goes to Aligarve, number 24. Aligarve. Pablo. Yes, sir.
Hala ka mabarag.
26-24.
Kaya tayo ka.
Here comes Mata, number 1. Against Sapilyon.
Atanay, sige.
Mata.
Na, okay, suka.
Gi.
Tulayagi. Back to number 2. For 3.
Ki. Oh, ki.
Ay! Woo!
Here comes Sapilyon for the pass break. He's alone. Yes! 28-27. The car is in top by 1. 3 minutes and 30.
Pwede mo pa hangin niyo ba?
Mata.
Oy!
A foul by number 27.
Ilay team foul.
Wala pa.
Team foul, team foul. Team foul.
Second team foul. 3 minutes 24.
Ayaw, gawa, gawa.
Here comes number 2. Number 2. Tulayagin. Terka. 3 minutes and 19. 29-20.
Very good!
Labangan is in top 1 with 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining.
Yeah, you're blocking the driveway.
Here comes Sapilyon. Sapilyon against Layagin. Sapilyon. Here comes number 14. 10 shot clock. Here comes Aligarve. Aligarve against Sabuna. Aligarve, but there's a blocking foul by number 10.
Ano man mo mag-foul man mo, uy.
Kabila
Papapi!
second personal foul. 2 minutes and 50. Here comes number 2. Tumata. Mata. To number 27, back to Sapilyon. Sapilyon against Layagin. 18 in the shot. To number 27, looking for his teammate to the right wing. Number 27, but there's a holy foul by number 1. It's Mata Maha.
Mata!
Mata second personal foul. People for running for penalty. Here comes Aligarve. Aligarve. To number 15. Yay! 1 minute and 20. 30 against 31.
John,
Here comes Mata.
Ron.
To number 2. Inside pass to Kabila. Kabila. Is slipping. The ball remains for the blue team. 59 seconds. Shot clock 14. Here comes number 2. To Kabila. Kabila. Pinaway. Kabila. Number 72. Foul number 27. Number 27 seconds, pinball 3. Pinball 3. 49 seconds.
Dawas!
Number 2. 45 seconds. Here comes Aligan against number 2. Aligan. Shot clock 14. Aligan against number 26. 10 shot clock. Aligan. Foul. But there's a foul by number. A foul number 26.
Jai!
26.
Jai!
23 seconds time remaining. 23. First throw by Aligan.
Da! Naabot na lang tingot sa mata. Sige, dagan!
Yes!
Shooting, sige.
31 against 33. 20 seconds.
Let's shot! Let's shot! Go
Here
on,
comes
go on!
Layani. To number 2.
Pablo!
For 3. Number 2. Kabila. 5 seconds. 3, 2. It's the end of first half. 31-31. Labangan is at 4. Sale tranquilo, Antonio. Pacaco, Jiménez.
Cute, pagkabanoy.
Here comes Joe to number 12.
Ayan, guards.
To number 8, Tatalon, Dakut.
Go, GR!
For pass to number 30. What? Same ball position.
What?
17 shot clock, 9:30.
Sayang.
Here comes Pagilian. To Pacaco, Pacaco for 3. Here comes Pagilian number 55. To number 23. Number 23, running jumper. The ball to the
Yay, batak na.
number 17 is Jihad.
Isa.
Here comes Jihad. To number 30. To Patumial. 10 shot clock. Patumial. To Jihad. 5 shot clock. Bacazo. For 3. Number 30.
Ilong na.
8 minutes and 33.
Ahmad. Ayan mo. Ito na. Yawa.
Here comes Salina.
Nagaya ko siya.
To number 8. Number 8 for 3.
Reclamation. Mana ka sila?
Here comes Pacaso. To Jihad number 17. 18 shot clock. To Patumial. Back to Jihad. It's a traveling violation. 35-34. Labangan is on top by 1 with 7 minutes and 49. Here comes Malinaw.
Warning na.
To Guerpo number 12.
Uy, linya.
Guerpo. Freedom Capper. Hindi. Here comes Jihar.
Diyan, itravel!
Jihar. The shot is started. Plus a foul by number 25. It's Malinaw. Malinaw.
Isa labaw pa ko.
Second personal foul. Team for one.
Lagyan na, likod ko. Go, Jihan! Sat! Kamalasan! Hindi na magiluwa, ay! Nana mo na, giro-miroy man, guro na.
Here comes Malinaw.
Pasya?
To number 8. Number 8 for 3. Rebound goes to number 30. Pull up pass to Macarzo. Here comes Macarzo. Running number 39. Here comes Guerpo. Guerpo. But there's a foul. A foul number 15. Number 15, first personal foul, people one.
Uy! Sila naman.
That's two.
Awa, maaari nila sa ano? Uy, 39 naman iloho. 39 atuwa, uy.
First separate, record one.
35, 34.
Sigurd, ready for rebound.
Gawas lang!
Here comes Jihar. Back to number 15, Ikawan. 18, Inisiata. Aman. To Bacarzo. Bacarzo for Lee. Rebound, Mr. Guerpo. Here comes Guerpo the 12. Looking for his game. 5 minutes and 25. Guerpo. Inside pass. Clubbing violation. 5 minutes and 20. 39-35. Here comes Aman. To Jihar number 17. Here comes Jihar. Attacking the basket. It's a block. What? Replied by the blue team. The ball goes to Qatar. 5 minutes and straight. Here comes Malinaw. Pointing the shot clock. To number 27. To number 8 at the right wing. Number 8 inside pass to Malinaw. Malinaw, Tigari. Yay! 4 minutes and 50.
Ano ba yan?
Guerpo. Buzzing. Yes, it's Villa. 39. 4 minutes and 39. Bacarzo. Bacarzo. The shot is counted. Counted. Wala counted.
Grabe.
4 minutes and 24.
Bahala na lang
Here comes Jihar. Looking for Phoenix. So Patunyal.
Sus.
Bacarzo. 4 minutes and 12. 51-39. Here comes Malinaw. To Guerpo. Not good. Rebound to Patunyal. What? There's a foul by number.
Yapis.
Tama.
Sakit. Sakit.
Top 1. 42-41. 3 minutes and 30. Aman. To Jihar. Here comes Aman. To Jihar. Jihar attacking the basket. It's a traveling violation. 3 minutes and 13.
Jihar! Jihar, mahal kayo dito.
Malinaw. Back to Malinaw ng 55. Running jump.
Ano ba yan?
Here comes Bacanso. Bacanso for three. Naku. Rebound to Sonabay. Ito si Bacanso. Bacanso. A free foul. Time out, Lebanon. A free foul. Here comes Malinaw, number 25. Malinaw. To Cuerpo. Cuerpo. Isa pa. Last Sunday! 41-46. Bacanso. Three. Here comes number 23. Colombe! Yes, sir! 48-41. 7-point lead. Here comes Jihad. Jihad against Malinaw. Jihad. Throw pass to number 25, Malinaw. He's in the ball, Philippines! Yay!
Bye, Philippines.
60-41. Here comes Cuerpo. Cuerpo.
Sige dyan! Nakalibre dito!
It's a traveling violation. 1 minute and 5. 1 minute and 5. 50 against 4.
Go slow, electric. Malas din ko.
Portugal to number 15. Dimes. Rebound to number 12. Campanion. Campanion.
Afford.
To number 8. Is it pass to Malinaw?
Ay! Okay!
Oh!
A holding foul. 25 is Malinaw. 40 seconds. Malinaw third personal foul. Team foul 2. Here comes number 30. Patulian.
Tres.
Dos.
Masala.
43 against 50. Backward violation. 19 seconds. 53 of 43 against 50. Patulian. Malinaw. Campanion. 6 seconds. Cuerpo. It's the end of the third quarter. 54-43. A 9-point lead.
Gabaw ni Sika.
Introduction. The battle between Qatar and CSCC Lebanon. Here comes Sabillon number 10. Sabillon against Kuyal. To number 20. Portly. No good. Rebound to number 2. Pass Bacanso. Here comes Aligaris number 24. Back to Sabillon number 10. To Suniga. Suniga, it's a pass to Cuerpo. Yes, sir!
Patay naman.
Cuerpo. Here comes Uyaw. Uyaw attacking the basket. But there's a blocking foul by number 20. 54-43. A double-digit lead by Calcati. Here comes Uyaw. A holding foul, Cuerpo. Cuerpo number 15, first personal foul. Team foul 2. Here comes Cabrera. Cabrera. It's a traveling violation.
Dagan kay mo ika-pliti ay sige ni mog travel.
Hanggang sa ganyan. It's a traveling violation again.
Lo dagan jud kay mo pliti.
7 minutes and 30.
Dagan kay mo pliti, at pa Jollibee na.
Ikaw, ano sa din yun?
Kuya. Bola bato.
Pamulso John! John!
46-54. Cutting the lead to the state. 7 minutes and 29. Hanggang sa ganyan.
Jun, ikaw na lang pag-trees, Jun!
Video.
Offensive foul. Isang petition.
Papa P!
The third personal foul. 7 minutes and 20. Here comes Campañón. Jiménez.
Gawas!
Toy!
Sa cuerpo number 15. Cuerpo number 12. Paulo Gómez. Saka 60 seconds. Offensive foul. Alin, second personal foul. Here comes Real.
Apoy jam! Uy,
Alin Gómez. Block foul number 3. Time out. Karkan. Sabrina. Fourth personal foul. Play.
Papa P! Ano mo na, Papa P? Ile, Paul, Pablo?
Karkan, usaha na yung tema.
One uy.
Ano yung lamay, sagit?
Here comes cuerpo number 15. Aquí Real.
Gi!
Para Costa Cabrera. Puyao.
Bola, balik.
Here comes Puyao number 25.
Aljon Tres.
Alejandro. Pula pass. Hey, patrolling violation. 6 minutes 23. Puyao. Los volados. Substitution. 30 seconds at number 20, Alice Naim.
Ako dyan, Jin.
Batazo for free.
Nakashot.
Finally! Minantihatar!
5 minutes 57. Hanggang Algarve. For Alisa. Alisa. Good. Rebound to Cabrera.
Aisa!
Goes to number 4.
Victor.
Here comes Batazo. Running jumper. Yay! Setting the lead to the street.
Very good!
Algarve.
Win!
Rebound to Batazo. Here comes Batazo. A foul by number 8, Alisa.
Hikap ng bola ba? Francis, wala eh. Hikap ng gusto niya.
Alisa first second foul.
Hikap ng hikap niya yung body.
Unsportsmanlike foul by number 8. Paul Pedro plus pole position.
Pila.
Reklamo sa nanon. Sige mo kuhan.
5 minutes and 25.
Nawag lang.
Ay, dali ah.
Daplen.
Arungator! Shooter! Good!
Very good!
Let's go for the Carson Young. Second throw.
Tulo. Good.
Isa na lang.
53, 54.
53 na ta. Sige, George, kay mapilday mo na.
Here comes Uyay. Here comes Cabrera. Cabrera! The shot is started.
Laplin. Laplin ba? Laplin. Laplin.
The shot is counted. A foul is Uyaw. Uyaw. First personal foul, team foul. Time out. Kakar. Kakar, no more time out. La foul.
Score.
3 minutos, 37.
3 minutos, 37.
Three minutes, 3.
3 minutos o 37 segundos, running score 58-54. A 4-point para na pangon. Kapanyol!
Ay, ay.
The ball remains for Kaka team, 3 minutes and 32. Shot clock received to 14. Here comes Campanyol. Baku. Rebound to Campanyol.
Forma, mga boys!
Uyaw, Bakaso, Potri,
Ay! Body kabut.
Substitution at Pemiga Malaki. 3 minutes and 10. Here comes Maya. Gol for Potri. Naked. Rebound goes to Cabrera. Here comes Uyaw. Uyaw, shot clock 15.
Okay.
To Bakaso.
Ay, ay.
Rebound. Foul by. A foul number 4. On substitution. Out malinaw sa billion in 2 minutos 45 segundos. 58-54. Sa billion. Sa Cuerpo.
Wala.
Cuerpo.
Okay, kanako.
Rebound to the hands of Bakaso. Cabrera. Back to Uyaw. 2 minutes and 25. Here comes Uyaw. Looking for a semi. Uyaw. Tula pa ko. 14. Yes. Rebound. Here comes Sabion. Pull back. On foul 45 Uyaw. Uyaw second personal foul. 2 minutos 60 segundos.
Ay, mahuli na ito.
First throw by Pamparian. Yay! Second throw, really forever. 55-50. Yay!
Shoot sa doing.
56-50.
Ula.
Welcome Sugal. Against Pavilion. Last 2 minutes. Here comes
Biscuit. Ayay.
Lookout. 155. Here comes Pavilion.
Sa labaw.
1 minute and 50. Guepo.
Nice lead. Nice lead.
1 minute and 44.
Score mo sigurado. Score bola. Sugat bola.
Here comes Bacaso.
Sige.
Bacaso. Bacaso. Offensive foul, Bacaso. Bacaso first personal foul.
Pilis ko.
1 minute 44. 1 minute 44
Pilay
seconds.
score.
Here comes the number 10. Rebound, Bosco Camila. It's a blocking foul by number 15. Blocking foul, Guepo. Penalty. Carcal is in penalty position. Bottoms is in penalty. 1 minute and 15 seconds, 58-53. 2 free throws for Bacaso. First throw by Bacaso.
One more.
Second throw, ready for rebound.
Agay.
Rebound, gusto sa Pavilion. Here comes the Pavilion. Guepo.
Agay.
Guepo. Gusto.
Ilan na lang ka? Minutes. 48 seconds. Patya.
18 shot clock, 40 seconds game clock. Bacaso, Cabrera,
Okay.
31 seconds, 31. 32 shot clock.
Philippine pound.
Penalty, Bottoms penalty situation.
Pound. Apat na pound.
31 seconds, 31. Roger Alisa. Alisa. Shot 23. Alisa. Seven, 6 seconds.
Huwag na.
Congratulations.